In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Base44 apps. First, open your browser and head to app.base44.com. If you're not already signed in, go through your usual sign-in flow. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar and choose All Apps. This view pulls together the apps you have access to across your workspace, making it easy to browse or jump straight to what you need. At the top of this page, use the search field to zero in on the app you want to copy. Type a few letters of the app name or a keyword you remember. The list will filter as you type, which is useful when your workspace has a lot of apps. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct app by checking its name and any identifying details shown in the list. Next, move to the right side of that app's row and click the three-dot menu, sometimes called the ellipsis. From the menu, choose Share. A small panel opens with sharing options. Here, click Copy Link. That puts a direct link to the app on your clipboard, which is handy if you want to share the original with a teammate or save the reference in your notes. You can close the panel when you're done. The link is already copied. Now return to the same three-dot menu for that app and click it again. This time, select Clone App. Cloning creates a separate copy that you can modify without affecting the original. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to give the clone a new name or pick a destination workspace. Make any quick adjustments, then confirm to start the clone. You might see a brief loading indicator while Base44 prepares the duplicate. When the process completes, you'll see the new app appear in your list, often with a name that indicates it's a copy. Open it to make sure everything looks right. It's a good idea to immediately rename the clone to something descriptive so you and your teammates can tell it apart at a glance. If you don't see Share or Clone in the menu, your permissions may be limited and you'll need an admin to grant access. Otherwise, you can repeat these steps to copy additional apps as needed. That's the full workflow. Go to Base44, open all apps, search for the target, copy the share link, then clone from the three-dot menu. Simple, fast, and reliable.